Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fold a golf shirt. First, lay your golf shirt face down on a clean, flat surface. Make sure all the buttons are fastened, including the collar buttons if present. Take a moment to smooth out any wrinkles, ensuring the shirt is as flat as possible before you begin. This preparation is key for a crisp fold. Now, imagine a line running from the middle of the shoulder down to the bottom hem. Fold one side of the shirt inward along this imaginary line. The sleeve should naturally fold back on itself. Do the same for the other side, creating a neat rectangle. Ensure the edges are straight. With the sides folded, it's time to address the sleeves. Take each sleeve and fold it back over the section you just folded, aligning it with the shirt's edge. The goal is to keep the sleeves flat and prevent any unnecessary bulk. This step helps maintain a smooth, professional look. Finally, grasp the bottom hem of the shirt and fold it upwards, bringing it towards the collar. You can fold it once or twice, depending on your storage needs. Aim for the collar to be visible at the top. Gently press down to secure the fold, creating a compact and wrinkle-free package.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.